Okay, guys, Lawrence. In this video, I'm gonna explain the tasks. Okay, in this project, the project we're gonna develop should be called maximum temperature finder. Okay, so what we need to do, if the purpose is to develop a MapReduce application to find out the maximum temperature of each year, okay, using the weather data we provided. Okay, so I'm going to explain the project background a little bit and have you understand what we are doing and why we do it this way. Okay, the resource I use is posted on Blackboard. Develop MR app. Okay, using this picture, click it, you will see this picture. I think we already explained this a little bit before the spring break, so if you can recall it, it may be much more helpful. The purpose, okay? The source raw material is that we have a large. In this demo, we're not using the real data, so the file does not look like large, but we leave it. We're going to do large big data. The file contains line by line weather readings, okay? And we use MapReduce framework to try to find out the maximum temperature of each year, okay? So the task has been designed this way. The MapReduce program can read the source file line by line. Whenever the one line has been read, the program can extract a year and temperature. That's the task of map. The map task simply get the year and temperature and pass that year and temperature along. And the Hadoop framework can take the pair, year, temperature, merge the pairs, because we're gonna, if we read thousands of lines, you're gonna have thousands of these pairs generated by the map. Okay. The Hadoop framework, which is called shuffle, gonna take all these pairs, merge them by the key. The key will be the year. So the results of the shuffle will be a year and a list of temperatures. And all these values can be passed along to the reduce. The reduce gonna further take this pair and find the maximum temperature in the list of For example, here's for 1949. There's a list of 2 values, and the reduce the task for reduce do is that take this year and the list temperatures, find the biggest number, and output it. Okay, that's the whole idea of the MapReduce application. Okay, so this is a logical model. In order to implement this using the MapReduce, we need to do several things. First, we need to get the data file, okay, the data file. So we need to find the data file and put into the position so that MapReduce program can run on it. Second, we need to develop the map and the reduce using Java programming. And third, we're gonna find to verify the output, okay? So if you look at this figure below, I draw it to help you understand what we need to do, okay? For the data, the first task and last task, we simply need to have the skills to check, to upload the file, to download the file, and check the contents of the file. In the middle, we need develop using Java programming language to develop the map and reduce, okay? So this is the general idea about what we need to do in this project. So in other videos, we're gonna implement this one by one. Again, we need to upload the data file and develop MapReduce and check output. In general, 3 tasks. So in other videos, I'm gonna show you one by one of these tasks. The MapReduce development may take several videos because it's gonna take there's much more to do simply. But for upload data and the check output of data is much simpler. Okay, we'll see you next time.